Hi guys, you're welcome to today's class, still on projectile motion. Today, we have another problem still on projectile. It is stated that a rocket is fired at an angle theta to the horizontal with an initial speed of 200 meters per second. If its time of flight is 35 seconds, what is the value of theta? Now, the answer is, the problem is quite different from the one we did or we have been doing. We have that given solution, given, we have here that velocity here is 200 meter per second. Time t is 35 seconds. Duration due to gravity is 10 meter per second. Now we are asked to calculate what theta is, but then using t equals to 2v naught sine theta over g, and we're asked to calculate theta. Now try to make theta the sort of formula. We have that 2g equals to 2v naught sine theta. Therefore, sine theta will be equals to tg over 2v naught. Therefore, substituting, we have that t here is 35 multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, 10 over 2 times 200. Therefore, 35 times 10 is 350 over 2 times 200 is 400. Therefore, this is sine theta is equals to 350 over 400. Therefore, theta here will be over 400. Therefore, theta here will be sine inverse of 350 over 400. Therefore, if you divide 350 by 400, you will have 0.875. Therefore, theta is equals to sine inverse of 0.875. Therefore, theta here will be equals to 61 degrees. As simple as that. Thanks for watching, and watch out for more problem solutions on projectile motion. Bye.